Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Namish and today I'll show you how to integrate BMP 280 sensor with Arduino Uno. So basically this sensor senses barometric pressure and temperature, and by using these two parameters it can calculate altitude also, which has accuracy of +1 meter. So this will be a wiring diagram. I have provided the link for wiring diagram, products and source code in the description. You can go and check it out. Now open the source code in Arduino IDE given below in the description and go select your board Arduino Uno and your port. It's COM3 in my case. Now you have to go to tools and then you have to click on manage libraries and then type BMP 280 and you will find a library Adafruit BMP 280 library, and you have to install it. After the installation you will be able to compile the sketch. After the compilation is done, you can upload the code to Arduino Uno board. After uploading the code to Arduino board, go to Arduino IDE, open serial monitor, select 9600 baud rate, and then you will be able to see the output of the sensor. So thank you guys for watching my video till end. I hope you like it, and for more projects on the sensor, stay tuned to my channel. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit that bell icon.